Gary Levinson, the Carpets of Arizona, and I want to show you, we've got a few products in that are fairly new. Korlock from Cardine, and we also have Pergo Extreme. Here I have RevWood, but we had a customer in the other day who was asking, what's the difference between these products? And all three of these products are amazing when it comes to scratch resistance. I mean, you're not, this is the RevWood. It doesn't scratch. Very, very durable. And this is the Pergo Extreme. If you got dogs, kids, any animals, husbands that like to overhaul their engine in the middle of the living room, this is perfect for you because it'll withstand anything. Gorgeous looks from all three of them. All three products are 100% waterproof. And then they're also extremely durable. All three of them will be very durable. I suppose the one advantage with RevWood is some of the visuals on these are gorgeous. Real wood looks that you would not know the difference between a real wood product and a RevWood product. The other big advantage of RevWood is it's American made. Prices are about the same on all of these. This is about 10% less expensive than the Pergo or the Korlock, but really they're close enough that you're going to come in, look for a look that you love, and go with that. And right now we are also doing free tile tear out on these products till the end of this year. So hurry in, we can't keep that offer going very much longer. So hurry in, take advantage of that, get free tile tear out, and get some gorgeous new flooring before the holidays.